Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are in the hills above Diamante today, and I think you can see in the background the beautiful, beautiful sea views. Now, there is a construction site here, and they are putting up some beautiful villas and villetas. One's a single, and then there's a bunch of, family units. So it looks like a beautiful complex. I'm going to turn this around so you can see it, and then we're going to take a tour of some of the units up here and show you the views. It's really spectacular. Sì, oh, ok.
Signora,
Sì.
Adesso è in fase di costruzione.
Sì.
Se qualcuno vuole zona giorno sopra,
Sì.
si può fare.
Oh, ok, ok.
Possono cambiare, allora è
Sì,
predisposto.
sì. Oh, ok, va bene, va bene. Okay. So what I'm hearing is that while we're in the phases of construction here, if you want to change things around a little bit with regards to distribution of the rooms, you can do that at this point. Now, these will be done in June and ready to go. So for this summer, they're going to be all set. Now look, you've got this beautiful field. I know Gigi would love that, to go out there and run. And then these are your views of the sea up here. It is spectacular. Okay, so here's what these are going to look like. Right now it's really a construction site, so you can't really get an idea of how it's going to look, but Antonello went through and he said it's really built solidly, and it's built with a lot of features, modern features that make it not likely to be subject to humidity and mold and things like that. Now, we talked about pools. Each unit can have its own pool. The pools are not included. They start around 25,000 euros to put in the pool. But you can see these are beautiful. Each one is around 100 square meters, which is over 1,000 square feet. And they all have views of the sea and gardens that come with it. So these are really, really nice units. As they go, we're going to come back and film them some more. They anticipate that these will be done in June. There is no condo fee on this because it's not a condominium. You're going to own your portion of the villa and everybody else owns theirs. So you'll have your own electrical and water and everything else. You don't have to worry about any condo association, and there's no fees. So these are going to be great units. This is in Diamante, a very nice area here in our Riviera de Cedri, and again, views of the Cirella Island and the sea, and it's just going to be gorgeous.